What is this that they have built? They will not be restrained from what they have imagined to do.
They thought they could touch heaven. Brick by brick, pride became their mortar. Their goal? To make a name for themselves. Not for God. The city buzzed with ambition. No prayer, no humility, just power, noise, and ego. The higher they built, the smaller God became in their eyes. But God looked down and smiled sadly. "Look at them," he said. "One language, one pride, one mistake." Then suddenly, silence broke into chaos. Their words twisted, their unity shattered. One spoke Hebrew, another Egyptian, another Greek. No one understood anyone. The mighty tower that was meant to reach heaven became a monument of confusion, a reminder: pride always divides. You can build your dreams as high as you want, but if God isn't the foundation, they'll crumble every time.